Let's go back up this way. What's over here? Okay. It's another shrine. Ooh. I'll buy another place. Thank you very much. Ooh. Okay, so I've got to go up that way. Whee! Ooh, do you have any tea things for sale?
It is my pleasure to welcome you.
Okay. Not really.
It has been a pleasure.
The pleasure is all mine. Who needs bridges when you can swim across a body of water?
Who's that drunken wolf snorting in my rice field?
One of the Daikon's samurai. He drank too much sake and was left behind.
Well, stay quiet. Don't wake him up or we'll have to pay more taxes.
How about I just dispose of him for you?
You said a samurai is sleeping in your fields?
Yes, one of the Daikon's men, sleeping off his sake.
I'll take care of him. He might lead me to the Daikon.
Whereabouts is he? Hang on, where is he? I can't see him anywhere.